Specialty Team Committee, Chief Representatives, Jica Pakistan Office, Mr. Fuad Mahmood, President Mr. Bashar Javid, Vice Chairman of Ms. Rano, Project Formulation Advisor, Hiroshi Yanagi, Chief of Japanese Expert Team, all my Japanese experts, SMEDA team, ladies and gentlemen, our armed members, Assalamu alaikum and welcome. On behalf of Small and Medium Enterprises Development Authority and Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, I welcome you all to this closing ceremony of the second term of the project Technical Support Program for Auto Parts Manufacturing Industry of Pakistan. Your presence today in this event is significant both for SMEDA and JICA. Since its inception, SMEDA has been taking very different sort of initiatives for the development of SMEs, particularly related to the introduction of international tools and methodologies in various SMEs. Realizing the importance of the auto parts and auto sector of Pakistan and the issues currently being faced by the auto parts vendors in terms of the quality, cost, and competitiveness, SMEDA requested JICA for the provision of technical experts, which was very kindly accepted by JICA Pakistan Office and JICA Tokyo. And they have approved a project which was started in August 2015. For this project, they have dispatched 5 Japanese experts in Pakistan for 4 days. We are very grateful for JICA for provision of technical experts. We have been requesting JICA since 2003, and we have enjoyed the Japanese expertise from over 40 Japanese experts since 2003. And we have a very good experience working with JICA, and thanks God we have introduced Japanese tools and methodologies, particularly in the areas of productivity and quality improvement and energy efficiency. Under this project, the target we set was to facilitate 50 auto parts manufacturers both in Punjab and Sindh regions. We have achieved the target and we have facilitated 52 target suppliers, not only Sindh and Punjab but also the Balochistan region. Under the project, various activities was undertaken jointly with our Japanese experts, and the support team, which was comprised of its SMEDA engineers, PAPAM engineers, and the local experts. We provided technical guidance for the whole plant improvement and also to address issues related to individual workflows, related, for example, welding, stamping, painting, molding, etc. We have introduced the concept of the skills Olympic competition first time for the auto parts sector in Pakistan. We are trying to help auto parts industry to set up in-house dojo, that is training facility. We conducted export development seminars, and we have developed a support system so that these activities which have been introduced by the Japanese can be carried forward for other auto parts manufacturers, both by JICA, SMEDA and PAPAM. They have also facilitated us in developing the best practices guidelines and manuals, which would be considered as a reference point for all the engineers, including SMEDAs, PAPAM, and the local consultant, and also by the industry to look into their problems and see what cause of that problem and how that problem can be solved. So these type of information will be given in the our guidelines and manuals. One of our target was to develop at least 10 auto parts manufacturers as a model companies, looking at the involvement and eagerness of the management, involvement of the team, and also the level of implementation of the Kaizen activity. We have able to develop 17 companies both from Punjab and Sindh as a model company in the field of productivity and quality. project has very encouraging results and achievements related to production flow, which is improvement of the efficiency and reduction of the rework and rejection rate. We are grateful for the target supplier for implementing improvement suggestions, for our management, Jica Pakistan office, for the excellent support, and particularly Japanese expert team, Kanaki-san, Sasaki-san, Ikuta-san, Shita-san, Sato-san, and Suzuki-san. In the end, I would like to thank you all for sparing your precious time for this evening. Thank you.